Do 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 do.
Sitting in the morning sun. I'll be sitting in the
Yeah, that's Dave. Happy Yard Dwellers.
Yeah. Roll away again. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away.
This yard is put it up today, and now it is a communal space. Yeah, yeah. Yards are growing like mushrooms around the forest very quickly. Hey, when more people come into the forest, some visitors, friends, we need more yards, more spaces to sleep in. So now we're gonna put another yard. It's very quick. Up. So what we need? We need Regardas. He's gonna put a yard. Yet we've got parts of the yard. Yard is a wheel, canvas, door, poles, roof poles, wall poles, and a platform. It's better on a platform. You can do without platform, but on a platform is nicer, more warm, more cool, flat, dry, and super good. Yes, Regardas? Yeah, you ready? Yeah! Let's put first wall section. Ta-da! Okay, here we put it up the wall section. We tied it to the door here, and it two wall sections actually, and they tied in between them. We put it the carpet, of course. You know, it's a proper house. Look, and now this dude, he's leveling the wall section, so it's on the same level. You can see from here, because it's very important. Oh, someone was shouting food circle, so now we having break and having nice food. You can hear the gong. Yeah. Now I put this band to hold the wall section, because when we're gonna put the roof poles, it's gonna push out the wall section, and this band is holding the wall sections from moving. It's very important. You can use the rope, but band is more nicer. Now I put it all poles, roof poles in places, and it is the time to put canvas on. Canvas. Doo-doo. First we put in canvas on the roof. Roof section of canvas is put it on. Here is a tailor who made it. And now we're gonna put the wall section. Ta-da! Ti-di-di-di-di. The wall section is ready. Yard is nearly ready. The only bit left is the top, the star, the window. Let's see how yard looks from inside now. Yeah. This is the window. That's how the yard looks from the inside. Window is open now. A lot of space is enough to live for two people or for one person. Another yard is put it up completely.
Hello,
Woo. This is how yard dwellers live in. High five. High five. benches, beautiful things around, skins.
This looks like a sun. This is a window, you can see nature through. Woo!
They come in and look out the door.